scrolling on Facebook and you see some people's texts, some of the texts appear in bold font and you want to do that too. So I'm here to show you that how you can make some of your Facebook some fonts to appear in bold letters, right? So this is my Facebook page. I manage Things Dental Care. Please, you can give me a follow. Things Dental Care. So let's say I want to post something like this. I've copied something before. So I want to post it, and let's say this is about tooth whitening. So somebody had asked how they can whiten their teeth. So let's say I want to make, what is this? I want to make this thing. What is that? Let's say I want to make this R to appear in bold letters. Right. So I'll copy it. Then open another tab on my laptop and check bold text generator. I'm using a laptop, but you can do this with your phone too. I've been using it too. So you open the bold text generator, then you paste or do Ctrl V, paste what I want to make bold here. Right, so I paste it. So I gotta add H. R is an exclamation. If for those that are not Nigerian, R is an exclamation in Nigeria that we do the most. So you now copy it. This thing. You now copy it from here. Then you open or press my Windows key. Then you open Notepad. You know your phone. By using a phone, your phone also has a notepad, so you can use it. Then I will now paste it. Right, I will now paste it here in the notepad. Then I will copy it. Once I paste it, there's nothing else to do. So I now press the copy key. Then I will come here, delete this one, and put it Ctrl V. Voila, and that is all. Right. So if I want to make any other thing here to appear bold, I can still do it. So that is just how to do it. So if I want to go ahead and post this thing, I can now click on, then post it. Yeah, so you can see the preview, post preview. This is how it will appear, right, in bold fonts. So that is how this is done. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned something today. So if you want to learn about your oral health, how to maintain your oral health, this is the Facebook page. I manage this page by myself, so you can check it on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and follow us, Things Dental Care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.